See. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I have a BMW 5 Series. On this car, I will show you what is the exactly problem. If you have problem same like me, I don't know how to call this. Maybe seats pocket, or if it's broken. See. On this video today I will show you how you will fix, and after that this one will look same like this. Fixing exactly we need this, nothing else. Now I will show you step by step. To remove this seat back cover, how we will do? It's very simple. We will this part push inside and then pull out like this, there and take, and same thing I will show you one there, this side, and take out like there, okay, and how you can see is out. Now I will show you why. How you can see we have this, and in the moment when we push seats there, it's happened this one is still locked. When we push the seats there, what's happened? It's come here, and this one is come out from here. The right side of the seats you need to push left like this. Left side of the seats you need to push on right side there, like that. Okay, it's very easy. Let's check exactly what's happened here. This plastic, okay, I'll remove this one anymore. From this side also. Okay, how you can see here, this plastic was stay like this. I don't know how I can show you now. And this one is break, and because of this is not working anymore. I don't know, I can try to put the glue, but this will not hold. Now I will show you best way how we will do this. Okay, from the start let's remove this. Okay, it's very simple. Somehow you need to break this with this plastic take out. I don't know, I think it's easy. Just to put something in, like this. It's already out. It's already out. Same thing with another side, just to push anywhere. Sorry. This side also already out. Okay. My next step. Why I need this? Exactly. I open already this. Okay, remove this part of leather, and I will put this on the place somewhere like, let's say here, but exactly what I will do, this one I will put on the side. How exactly we need to sit, okay, let's example like this, and then this part I will put like, what's for me is important that, I don't know, can you see this part need to be maximum down on this, where is this, where is the end, on this edge, like this. And when you make like this, just remember location, or put somehow the mark. You can take screwdriver or anything what is sharp, and okay, put for me for once. After that, what you need to do, you need to take this and bend, let's say like this, just a little. Okay, it's very easy. When we bend, we need to take some lighter, but before this I already put my mark where I will put this. That means I will put like now like this here. like this here. After that, now I will take just a heat this. This needs to be very hot. I don't know, can you see on the video? It started taking the orange color. And just where you put the mark, press. I need to melt inside. Press, press. How you can see, it looks like this after pressing. Just the way this little cold, because this one is still very hot. And another side we will do same. Just I need to wait just this little bit cold because it's still hot. But I will just take this one and prepare for another side. It's again, it's very easy. Just melt like this. Yeah, that's it. This one now I'll put on location where I need to put. Now you can see this one is going inside like this. Okay, and same thing. Now we need to find where is this location. That's straight. This. Okay. You will feel. With the finger you will feel if it's straight or not. You just pass like this and then you will feel this gap. If it's not good, just move like this now. And again, repeat. Same like first one. Just to find location that need to be on the here on the end of this hole like this, and just to put the mark. I will just put mark like this. It's easy. Okay, I will put the mark for me, and this will stay like this. Like this. Okay. But what you need to do before heat, it's a little open this side like this side, which one will be up. You need to little open, because in that moment you cannot put both sides. It's already like this, little open, and after that when you put, you will put the back. Hold like this. So meaning this will be go. I make the mark. My mark is here. This one will stay like this. Okay. I will just put something down and heat again. And put on location. Press. Opa, it's not good. This one. Okay. Now we need to wait again, this one be cold, and it will continue. Okay, what will I do now? I just need to wait that this one is a little cold, but meantime I will take this rubber band, okay, and I will do exactly like this. You see there, this and this hole, it's already here. If it's not have, then you can make the hole, but on this one there is already hole. I will just put this rubber band like this. I don't know thickness. I took this like I don't know, was this thickness maybe ½ inch, something like this. If you have smaller, no problem if it's also like this. You can make them double. Look, now depend. I don't care how many rubber I will use, but if you don't have enough, what you can do, you can put like this here, just here, and you don't need a lot. You need to just maybe 10 centimeter, and you can do like this. Can you see? You can do like this. I don't know, and then put through hole. But me, I don't care now. In this moment, I will just put for full size. It's easy and faster for me. It's like this. Now I will take scissor and cut. It's okay. And now it's my next step. Next step. This one is good. This one is also good. What we will do? I will take this one and just to put like this. I want to see how the situation. I mean, this is first one what you put. It's passed, and this is second one. Oh, you see, I need to little more open that this one can go inside. I mean, but my advice, take another, like one side you hold, one you hold, another one, because now what can happen, that we not break this. Okay, let's try again. This one you can put inside, another one, you see, now it's passed here, and it's good. At the end of the day, this will look like this. Okay, and when it's coming rubber, you got. I put this one little maybe too high, but okay. Now this rubber, what I already put there, I will put through this hole, up hole. Okay, another one also, you can see, another one also I'll put through this hole. And that's it. Now because this one is straight, again what we will do, we need to bend this, we need to put the back forward. It means I will take one like this, okay? And another one I will just bend, okay? Like this, okay. I left just a little gap, but this can move. Just need to have a gap that this can move up now. Okay. Next step. What is next step? Next step, you just take this like this, and look. For one side, we will do this. For another side, we will look. What is enough? There's not too much when we do this. Okay. Now, how you can see, that's it, guys. It's very simple. Just we need to put the back, this back cover. I will show you also how. It's very simple. And let's say for a couple dollars, how much it costs only this rubber band and these parts of the metal, you fix your seat pocket. I'll show you how you will put this back on. You have this, okay. Here down you have this hook, and there is one more hook, okay, and you have this to like some clip, I don't know how. These two hook you need to put there, here. Okay, see here and here. Opa, there is another one here. These two hook. You just need to here from down, like little press, and look. The hook is sit inside. When it sit, you will see. You try like this if it's. And after that, here from the top, you just need to pull. See this to go there, and from another side. Oops, also. You see that? Just a press. Okay, one side, another side, so like this, and that's it. And how you can see, it's finished. I don't know, from inside it's good. You can put everything what you want, some like this one, because this one was also broken. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. I think maybe some people will use this same like me. Otherwise you can order online or buy a new one. I don't know how much it costs this new one if you buy in company. If you order online, I do also. I order online, and when he sent me, he didn't send me exactly for my car, and then I said I'll try to fix alone, and I think it's worth, honestly. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe my channel if you didn't yet, and see you next video. Bye.